Well, weekends, my whole family goes out for snacks together, a habit that doesn't require any prior planning, but every weekend we automatically remind each other. This time, we decided to change the atmosphere and visit the food court in the shopping mall near our house. Honestly, the feeling of entering the food court in the shopping mall is always pleasant. Cool, clean, the food is neatly arranged, each tray is shiny stainless steel, each dish is delicious. Grilled sausages, fried chicken, fish skewers, cheese, potato chips, grilled rice paper, all the dishes look delicious. The space is airy, no smell of smoke, no dust, so we can eat and chat comfortably. As soon as we see the fried chicken stall, we rush in and choose a huge portion. My sister likes light dishes like fish cake skewers, cheese sticks, grilled rice paper. The kids love fried fish ball skewers and cold milk tea. As for me, I have to visit all three stalls, buying a little at each place to be satisfied. When sitting down at the table, everyone has their own tray of food, and everyone wants to eat the food of the person next to them. Each person has their own taste, but in the end, no one complains about any dish because everything is to their liking. What I like most is that the dining area here is extremely clean. There are comfortable tables to sit at, there are trash cans nearby, there is an area to get free tissues and water. Whenever you need something, you don't have to go far or ask anyone. The atmosphere while eating is like a family. Comfortable, happy, no one is in a hurry, no one complains of being tired. Everyone eats and chats animatedly. Sometimes just telling small stories of the week is fun to listen to. The children laugh while eating, order more skewers, change dishes constantly. You can tell they really enjoy this atmosphere. As for the adults, seeing their children and grandchildren eating happily, they eat more than usual. I think that these meals are simple but precious. No fuss, no preparation, just the whole family being present, choosing the dishes they like, sitting together. That's enough for a meaningful weekend. Every time like that, I find that small things like a shared snack also create memories. Everyone has a part of their childhood associated with fried sausages, fish ball skewers, hot fried chicken. Now that we're grown up and working, everyone is busy. So when we have time to sit together like that, eating these dishes that are considered student and sidewalk, it suddenly feels familiar and fun. After my family finished eating, we sat around for a while longer. No one said anything big, just a few random stories, but the atmosphere was strangely pleasant. Maybe because it's been a long time since everyone was there, no one was busy, no one looked at their phones too much, and no one needed to do anything, just sit, eat, and listen to each other talk. I find the food here very tasty. Every dish is hot, not cold or fried again. The price is reasonable, only from a few thousand to a few tens of thousands per dish, which means each person spends less than 100,000 but still eats their fill and gets to try many different dishes. From adults to children, everyone is satisfied. Maybe for many people, this is just a light meal, but for me, this is a special kind of relaxation. No need to go to a fancy restaurant, no need to get in the car to go far. Just the whole family sitting together, eating snacks, talking, and feeling happy all afternoon. The meal was not long, not expensive, not luxurious, but it was enough to make me feel warm. I think that everyone should spend time like this with their family. No need for a special occasion, just a weekend, a few empty chairs, a tray of hot food, and everyone's presence. Because if you miss these kinds of meals, it would be a pity. But if you repeat them, it would be as fun as the first time.